guys, I'll be sharing a new nail art that I create here with you guys today. And this is using Born's Pretty Spider Gel Nail Polish in a silver color. This is a new product where it is a reflective silver, and this is also a Born Pretty tool accessory that you guys could use to use the gel nail polish. So this spider nail gel polish is a pull line elastic nail art. So pretty much what this means is you guys could create nail art using this spider gel because it creates the designs easier, faster, and quicker, and you are totally in control. As you guys can see, this is my first time trying it out, so I wanted to kind of test it out and see how I work with it, how you maneuver the gel, and how I can work with it pretty much. So I did decide to use the little stick that Born Pretty provides, and this is really helpful. Make sure you have a nice tool when creating this effect. Alright, so now I'm going to start spider webbing and trying to create a design to my liking. I could definitely say that there's a lot of product in here, and this little jar is only $5, and I feel like that's such a great steal. And as you guys can see, I created sort of like a medium thickness, and the more higher you go, the thinner it gets. So depending on what you prefer, or if you guys want to practice, you guys could definitely do that. And that's what I'm doing here, just seeing how I'm going to go about this. And here I take another one and use it with just different force, different strings, and trying to see how I can maneuver each of the webbing into the nail as well. So it is a little bit tricky, but I feel like it's not a thing that anyone can not do. Pretty much you guys are all capable of doing this, just because it's literally doing and moving the product for you into the nail, and I feel like that's what makes it really easy and really cute. So as you guys can see, now I'm going to take this reflective glitter gel color. So this is a super pretty gel polish. It's just full of glitter. It's reflective and it has like a silver hue. So I feel like it's very versatile with what nail art or nail design you want to do. So here I'm just going to take it and apply the gel color all over my nail so that I could create a nice silver gel nail. So this is just one layer of the gel color, and now I'm going to add a second coat after I have cured it. And here is a second coat. As you guys can see, it definitely gets much more glitterful, and I feel like it's super cute. I love this color. And now I'm also going to take this other Born Pretty nail color, and this gel color is like a nude beige color, and look at how thick and opaque it looks. It's very pretty. I really enjoy this color, and I love how it applies on my nail. It's very opaque, like I said. It's very smooth. It's just like a perfect nice beige color as well. So I really enjoy it. Now I'm going to add a second coat of the color, and this is how the second layer looks like. Really nice. And now I'm going to add a jelly color. So this is also a Born Pretty nail product, and it is a jelly consistency, meaning it is transparent. So I really enjoy this. I actually am a huge fan. These are probably my favorite products from Born Pretty, and I feel like they just work very well, and you could do so many things with them. So these are how my nails look like, and now I'm going to design. So taking my tool again, and I'm going to dip in there and start webbing my design. So for my design, I did decide to do just like a medium thickness, and I am pretty concentrated just because I don't want to mess it up. I'm doing more of a particular design, so it does require more concentration as to where I'm going to place the web or gel color on, versus if I was just doing like a random design. So I do have to be a little bit more careful, but nonetheless, it's very easy to maneuver and use. Could definitely work with it, and as you guys could see, I can always go back over with it. So I decided to kind of clean it up a little bit. Easy cleanup. I took like a wet wipe, and I decided to just make one because I felt like I didn't know where I was going with this design, so I just decided to do one line on there, and it was really easy. And as for this nail, I am doing just like a small little design to incorporate the gel color. Here I'm taking the infamous gel colored top coat. So this is again by Born Pretty, and this is the big container of gel top coat. So this is a super coat because it's super shiny, and it's resistant to any scratching, abrasive, uh, anything that you feel like will not be as sturdy. I feel like this is it. This is the top coat. Honestly, hands down my favorite top coat, and it is a big product, a big size. So I feel like it's always necessary to have a big container for that. So here are my final nails. As you guys can see, I just did a super cute, simple design using the reflective glitter. I just added some rhinestones to the top of that nail. I feel like it just brought the whole nail art together. And then I also just added a bunch of little diamonds and gems. And as for the spider webbing, I just did one line, as you guys can see, but it created a really nice accent for this nail. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.